Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, so power the Tapo camera and place it close to the router to ensure a strong signal during initial pairing. Once done, confirm your phone is on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and you know the password. Tapo models usually won't accept 5 GHz. Next, open the Tapo app and sign into your account. Make sure Bluetooth and location permissions are enabled for the app so it can discover the camera. This step speeds discovery and prevents pairing errors. You'll now add the device in the app. Tap Add Device and pick the exact Tapo model. When the camera's LED flashes or you hear the setup tone, the app can discover it. If prompted, scan the camera's QR code on the label or play the in-app sound for audio pairing. These methods transfer credentials securely. Then enter your 4 GHz Wi-Fi name and password when asked. Make sure the app shows a successful connection message before moving on. This confirms the camera accepted your network. Once connected, you should rename the camera, assign it a location, and check for firmware updates to secure performance. Then test live view, motion detection, and notification settings so you know alerts work as expected. Also verify recording to cloud or SD card. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Power cycle the camera and router, then retry pairing. If that fails, use the camera's reset or AP mode to force direct connection. This clears stale settings and often resolves stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.